CoinSpot is often touted as Australia's go-to crypto exchange, but is it really worth your time and money? Today, we're diving deep into its features, user experience, and whether it's the right choice for your crypto journey. CoinSpot is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. What stands out immediately is its user-friendly interface, which is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. The platform supports over 300 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the more comprehensive options in the Australian market. The registration process is straightforward, and once you're set up, you can easily navigate through the dashboard to manage your assets. One feature that users might appreciate is the ability to set up recurring buys, which can help automate investments. However, some users have noted that the fee structure is somewhat complex, with trading fees that can add up, especially for small transactions. While CoinSpot offers a mobile app for trading on the go, the app experience has received mixed reviews, with some users reporting occasional glitches. Overall, while CoinSpot has a solid foundation, there are aspects that feel a bit less polished. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, CoinSpot offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, a user-friendly interface, and robust security measures, which include two-factor authentication. It's also one of the most recognized exchanges in Australia, giving it a level of credibility. However, there are some notable drawbacks. The fee structure can be confusing, with higher fees for smaller trades, which might deter casual investors. Additionally, the mobile app could use some improvements, as it's not as reliable as many would hope. Some users have also expressed concerns about customer service response times, which can be frustrating if you encounter issues. In summary, while CoinSpot has its strengths, there are areas that could use refinement, especially for those new to the crypto space. In conclusion, CoinSpot is a solid choice for Australian crypto enthusiasts, especially if you value a wide selection and ease of use. However, if you're looking for lower fees or a more reliable mobile experience, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, but with a few caveats in mind.